Ni riboti ya ruhonge rwa guthurima mutaratara wa githomo guku bururi-ini KICD rugete ni gukorwo rukinyitana na mathukuru ma mathomo ma ngathi cia iguru hari gutigirira mathomo megie meri na nginya ugitiri wa maini ni makinyanirio uria kwagereire. Afitha munene wa KICD Charles Ong'ondo augite mathomo maya ni mabata amu ni megukorwo magitura mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi. Ong'ondo aritio hindi ya kuruguria mashini kana daraca ya kiriu ya guthomithia mathomo maya ma mai-ini thukuru-ini wa Mount Kenya University kuria mwena wa Malindi Gicua-ini. Aikari a Gicua-ini makigathiriria ikinya ria guthomithiria mathomo maya gicigo-ini kiu amu arutwo matirikoragwo na ihinda iritu riria mareruta kothi ino ya mai-ini.
KICD will henceforth lead a partnership between the institute and the Mount Kenya University Maritime Academy, but also extend that partnership to other agencies in the ministry, the Kenya National Examinations Council as a resource center that I'm sure will benefit from this, and many other schools that are starting maritime and fishery studies will also benefit from this.
Training hii ama haya mafunzo yamewekwa sehemu ambapo yanastahiki kuwekwa kabisa, kwa sababu tunajifunza mambo ya bahari na tuko katika ufuo wa bahari. Hapa tuko Malindi ambapo hata hawa wanafunzi wakihitaji kufanya mazoezi haya ndani ya bahari hawana haja ya kusafiri.
We are grateful also for our partners who are working closely with us, the visitors from KICD who have come to visit us today. We are also working closely with our regulator, the KMA. We are also working with the KPA and other organizations, even abroad. We are very grateful because they can see as an institution the value we are willing to offer.